वो कम्युनिकेटर है और वो कम्युनिकेट
कांग्रेस की बात कर ले। राम तो काल्पनिक है कांग्रेस के हिसाब से। नहीं, राम तो काल्पनिक है कांग्रेस के हिसाब से। राम काल्पनिक है। राम मंदिर नहीं बनना चाहिए था कांग्रेस के हिसाब से। और जिन लोगों ने गोलियां चलाई राम भक्तों पर, सपा पार्टी, समाजवादी पार्टी, दे आर योर अलायंस पार्टनर टुडे, एंड वो छाती ठोक कर कहते हैं हमने राम भक्तों पर गोली चलाई, और चले, और जरूरत पड़ती तो और चलाएंगे।
निखिल जैन,
गले मिलते हैं आजकल।
The question is, you know what RP Singh is trying to tell you. Tiwari ji, एक मिनट. Nikhil Jain, let's also have Karan Verma. Nikhil, now Karan, I'll come to you after Nikhil responds to this question. Nikhil, you know, when Congress leaders were asked a question whether the Gandhis would visit Ayodhya, they said you will know on January 22nd. Senior leaders of your party, and I won't take the name, you know,
what is wrong in that?
Yeah, no, senior leaders, and quite senior at that, they've said that Rajiv Gandhi opened the locks. All this is documented. Why is there hesitation now? What do you want? Why are you shying away?
Pranesh, the point is simple, that the Ram Mandir should be an instrument of faith, it should be an instrument of religion, it should be an instrument of belief, not of politics. That is the entire point that the Congress party and all its different leaders have been trying to make, that when it comes to the Ram Mandir, the BJP is trying to use it as a political tool. Let's also look at the chronology of things. No, we have all seen the pictures that have been coming from the Ram Mandir. Does it look like a construction project that is just a month away from completion? It is not. Just like the parliament building wasn't completed, but they still inaugurated it anyway. And
no,
that
so
is what
are you suggesting, Nikhil Jain, that Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi or Mr. Khadge are not going because they are not sure whether the slab will stay there or fall off on their head? What are you talking about? Is that the reason Gandhis are not going?
Oh, Pranesh, this is no. This is, oh, come on, Pranesh. No, let's not be juvenile on a national debate. What I said was that the BJP is currently trying to inaugurate the temple before the Lok Sabha elections.
Is that the worry of the Congress party?
What I said was that the BJP is hurriedly trying to inaugurate the temple before the Lok Sabha elections.
What should have been the right time for inauguration?
The government is trying to inaugurate the temple before the Lok Sabha elections. The timing of the inauguration is just 4 months, 3 months before the elections. They want to
the timing is suspect. RP Singh, quick response, Karan.
And that is where the problem lies. It's very good that a temple is being made, but you can't make it a political tool. You cannot make Lord Ram as somebody who is belittled by a mere mortal Narendra Modi. That is the problem.
RP Singh, answer on the timing.
It's a political event.
Yeah, you are admitting it very good.
Well, this is the same party which went to the court and then said that Ram temple should not be allowed to be constructed, and neither the decision of the Ram temple should come before 2019 elections. They are the one who opposed.
No, is the Prime Minister of India bigger than the Shankaracharya for religious activities? RP Singh ji,
the court should take a decision.
Is Narendra Modi bigger than the Shankaracharya?
Kapil Sibal,
or is he bigger than all the so-called saints and the sadhus and the Dharam Gurus?
आप तो धर्म की बात मत ही कीजिए विवेक श्रीवास्तव. The left should not talk about religion. The left should not talk about religion. The less said, the better about, you know. Vivek Srivastava, you are getting into dangerous territory. Then I'll ask you a few questions. Then you will get rattled. You will get personal.
That are the words of BJP MP Subramaniam Swamy.
No, okay. Vivek Srivastava, now answer this. Why is Sitaram Yechuri not going? Why is Sitaram Yechuri not going? If Shankaracharya invites Sitaram Yechuri, will he go?
Listen to me. Sitaram Yechuri was formally invited by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Communist Party के ऑफिस में विश्व हिंदू परिषद के लोग आए, उनको रेस्पेक्ट दी गई, उनकी बात भी सुनी गई, उन्होंने कार्ड भी दिया. However, we decided not to participate in this temple ceremony because अरे सुन लो पहले भाई.
No, he is right. By the temple trust, not by विश्व हिंदू परिषद.
क्योंकि ये एक
सर विश्व हिंदू परिषद ने नहीं दिया आपको निमंत्रण.
विश्व हिंदू परिषद का आलोक जी ने क्लेम किया था, जो गए थे नेशनल टीवी पे क्लेम किया था.
राम मंदिर की न्यास नहीं दिया जिसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बनाया.
अच्छा, लेट हिम आंसर. आरपी सिंह जी, उनको जवाब देने दीजिए.
अरे मुझे बोलने दो भाई.
बोलिए सर, आप बोलिए.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए सर. उसके we decided not to participate in this function because we feel religion is a personal choice. और यहां जो इवेंट हो रहा है ये पॉलिटिकल इवेंट है भारतीय जनता पार्टी और प्राइम मिनिस्टर का. It is not a religious event. It is not about the temple.
तो जो
Nobody is
साधु
against the
साधु
temple.
one
Nobody is
minute,
against
विवेक
Islam.
श्रीवास्तव अब
We
ठीक
are
है।
against the
जो साधु
fanatic
संत
communal
जा रहे हैं,
politics of
विवेक
the BJP
श्रीवास्तव,
and the Prime Minister.
all the seers who will be there,
जी,
who are already who are already talking about it,
yes,
are they being bought, sponsored हैं वो,
जी,
paid हैं, क्या हैं वो?
अब भाई ये उत्तर आप
नहीं ये
शंकराचार्य
आप देंगे, आप तभी से उत्तर पे उत्तर दे रहे हैं, अब आप दीजिए उत्तर।
पूछिए ना, ये प्राण प्रतिष्ठा, पॉलिटिशियंस आर बिकमिंग धर्म गुरुज आर बिकमिंग पॉलिटिशियंस।
देखिए किशोर तिवारी जी, आपकी मजबूरी है, नहीं तो अगर आप
राजनीतिक है,
किशोर तिवारी जी की मजबूरी है, इंडिया अलायंस उनको रोक रही है, नहीं तो अभी आपको वो जवाब देते, लेकिन वो कोई बात नहीं, वो अब करण वर्मा जवाब देंगे। करण,
नहीं हम तो किशोर तिवारी जी की भी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं और उद्धव ठाकरे की भी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं।
नहीं उन्होंने बिल्कुल कीजिए, वो तो बोल रहे हैं बाबरी हमने तोड़ी, आप तो रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए उनकी।
एक महत्वपूर्ण घटक दल है,
वो बोल रहे हैं बिल्कुल है, बाबरी तोड़ी, हम वो बोल रहे हैं, आप रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए।
मिनिमम प्रोग्राम है, अपने हमारे कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम में हम किसी
ओके करण
ना चाहे वो
I don't understand how one minute gentlemen please, one after another please, I know 1 minute, we are all excited, please let's contain the excitement please. Karan Verma now, all faders down please.